here's example number 1 in your packet. All they're asking is for us to just identify the angle relationship between the two angles that they give us here. Please note, this doesn't really pertain to this example, but it will for the next, that none is an option. Sometimes our angles don't have any relationship. On this one where there's just the one transversal, here's our only transversal right here, they will all have some type of relationship. So we're okay on this one, but the other one, none could be a solution. So A right here, they're asking for angle 1 and angle 8. What type of angles are those? When you look at the two lines right there, notice how those are both outside or exterior to our lines. And we've got different sides or alternate sides of our transversal. So we're going to call these alternate exterior angles. Okay, we're going to erase the whole thing and then start all over again. For B, they're asking for angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. Notice here, these are now interior. Can you see how they're both inside or interior to those two lines? They, this time, are on the same side. They're both above our transversal. So these are going to be consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles right there. All right, for letter C right here, they want us to tell them the relationship between angle 5 and angle 7. So notice right here, they're not interior, exterior. In fact, we've got one of both. 7 right here is inside of our lines, but 5 is exterior. So they can't be any of the interior or exterior angles, and that leaves us only with our corresponding angles. So these indeed are corresponding. Just remember, they've got to be in the same position. So notice how not only are they both on the left of their lines, but they're both underneath the transversal. So these are corresponding angles. Okay, letter D asks for the relationship between 2 and 7. Those ones, these are my favorite ones. They're both inside. Notice how they are inside of our lines. They're on alternate sides of that lovely transversal right there. So these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, this next one, this is usually the one that's trickiest for my students, because when we're looking at 1 and 3 right here, again, we've got angle 1 is exterior to our lines, angle 3 is interior. So you kind of rule out all of your alternate or your exterior interior angles, which again leaves only corresponding. So just check for corresponding. Are they in the same position? Yes, they are both on the left side of their lines. They're both above the transversal right there. So these are also corresponding angles. All right, last one on this example, angle 6 and angle 7 right here. Note, they're interior to our lines. They are on the same side of that lovely transversal. So again, these are going to be consecutive interior angles. And that is example number 1.